Good morning, students. How are you? So today again we will discuss some applications of the trigonometry chapter number 9. Yesterday we have done up to question number 4. So we can start now. Question number 5. Already told you. So easy portion of the math, easily you can do, but in exam you can take good marks in this portion. So a kite is flying at a height of 60 meters above the ground. Kite is flying at a height of 60 meters, like this is a 60 meter high, and kite is flying here. The string attached to the kite is temporarily tied to a point on the ground, like this. Tied here, stringless. Find the length of the string and assuming that the no slack in the string. Slack meaning there is a, you can say this is no chances of losing up and down, you can say. So this is the point A, you can say this is B and this is C. You can say here kite is flying at point A and AB equal to 16. AC is the length of string. Yes or no? Making an angle what? 60 degree. And C is a point where string temporarily tied. Find the length of the string, which means you have to find out AC. So this is what 16. What you can say in triangle, which triangle? ABC. This is right angle. This is hypotenuse. AB by AC is equal to sine of 60 degree. Perpendicular by hypotenuse is equal to this angle sine 60. AB by sine of 60 degree is equal to AC cross multiplication. AB 60 sine 60 under 3 by 2 is equal to what? AB. So 120 by under 3 is equal to AB. AC is the length of string. This you can write like this: 3 into 40 by under 3, and this you can write under 3 into under 3 into 40 by under 3. This cancels this, or this you can write 40 under 3. Understood? It's only use of these angles. Easily you can do this. I think no problem. So kite is flying at a height of what? This side, right? Understood or not? Understood? So read the statement of next question. Question number 6. A 1.5 meter tall boy is standing at some distance from a 30 meter tall building. Read till here. Make it tall building how much meter? 30 meter. The angle of elevation from his eye to the top of the building increased from 30 to 60 as he walks toward the building. So starting point of this of that boy. His height is what? 1.5 meter. So starting angle is how much degree? 30 degree. Walking toward the building, then angle become how many degree? 60 degree. What's become? 60 degree. He walks toward the building, find the distance he walked toward the building. So you can say this is the A point, this is the B, this is C, this is D, this is E, and this is F. Understood? Here AB equal to 30 meter is the height of the building. BC equal to FB equal to 1.5 meter is the height of Y. In starting Y standing at point D and moving toward building is DE. Its meaning we have to find out DE. Now in triangle ABF, AF by BF, AF by BF is equal to tangent of 30 degree. How much degree? 30 degree. So AF by BF, AF by tangent 30, sorry, cross multiplication is equal to DF. AF how much? AB minus FB is 30 minus 1.5 is equal to 8.5 is equal to meter is equal to AF. Understood? 28.5 by 1 into under root 3. 1 by under root 3 is equal to df. Because tangent 30 degree is equal to 1 by root 3. Putting the value of this. Therefore, df is equal to 28.5 under the root meter. Thus, similarly, in triangle, which triangle? AEF, AF by EF is equal to tangent 60 degree. Again, AF by tangent 60 degree is equal to EF. This is, 28.5 by under root 3 is equal to EF, because tangent 60 is equal to under root 3. Yes or no? Understood? Erase this. So what you can say? DE is equal to DF minus EF. So DF 28.5 under root 3 minus 28.5 under the root this. This is given here. So what's your LCM? This. And this is 28.5 into 3 minus 28.5. Understood? What is this? If you can calculate, this is 57 pi into 3. This 3 under root 3 into under root 3 into 19 pi into 3. This cancel, this is equal to 19 into 3. Therefore, y pass the distance 19 into 3 meter towards the building. This I want to tell how can this 57 multiply with 3. This is coming, how much coming? 3 5 are 15, 5 minus 85.55 is equal to 57 by root. Understood? One more method. 28.5 common, 3 minus 1 by root 3. How much? 28.5 into 2 by root 3 is equal to 57. If you don't understand this. So, according to this question, find the distance he walked toward the building. So, you can say the distance the boy walked toward the building is 19 and root 3 meters. Or you can say D Understood? I think all of you. Erase this. Erase. Question is this: from a point on the ground, the angle of elevation of the bottom and the top of a transmission tower fixed at the top of 20-meter high building. So this is 20-meter high building, and here is what? After this is what? Transmission tower. Mission tower is like, and angle of elevation bottom and top. Bottom and top of this transmission tower are 45 and 60 degrees respectively. This is how much degree? 45 degree. And this is how much? 60 degree. Name of this point: A, B, C, D. Here BC equal to 20 meter is the height of building. AB is the length of transmission tower. D is a point here. Angle of elevation from top and bottom are 60 degree and 45 degree respectively. Return, you have to find out what height of the tower. How can possible? AC minus AD. So in triangle, which triangle? ACB, ACY, DC. ACY, DC is equal to tangent of 60 degree. So AC is equal to what? DC into under root 3. Understood? Now in triangle BCD, BCYDC is equal to tangent 45 degree. So we have to find out what BC. So BC by tangent 45 degree is equal to BC. BC 20 meter, tangent 45 equal to 1 is equal to BC. Here write because tangent 45 degree equal to 1. Understood? Therefore, DC equal to 20. Let this is the first. Now, putting the value of DC equal to 20 meter in first, we get AC is equal to 20 and 3 meter. AB is equal to AC minus BC. So AB equal to AC. AC is what? 20 under root 3 minus 20. What's common? 20 take common. Under root 3 minus 1 is the what? Here write therefore height of transmission tower is 20 under root 3 minus 1. This is the easy portion of math, no problem. Easily you can solve. So this is the height of transmission tower that you have to find out. So first find out the AC minus BC. What's your AB? So easily you can do this. A statue, question number 8. A statue 1.6 meter tall stands on the top of a pedestal from a point on the ground. The angle of elevation of the top of the statue is 60, and from the same point the angle of elevation of the top of the pedestal is 45. Find the height of pedestal. Find the height of pedestal. A statue how much height? 1.6 meter tall, stand on a top of. This is the pedestal. This is a statue 1.6 meter tall. So this is how much? 1.6 meter tall. This after this. 1.6 meter tall, stand on the top of a pedestal from a point on the ground. The angle of elevation of the top of statue is what? 60, and from the same point the angle of elevation top of the pedestal is 45. Find the height of pedestal. So this is. So one angle is this. Another angle is this. This is 45, and this is how much degree? 60 degree. A statue 1.6 meter tall, stand on the top of a pedestal from a point on the ground. The angle of elevation of the top of statue is how much? 60, and from the same point the angle of elevation of the top of the pedestal is how much? 45. Find the height of the pedestal. So this is A, B, C, and what's the name of this point? D. Understood? AB is what? Statue. AB here. AB is the height of whose statue? AB is the height of statue, and BC is the height of what? Pedestal height of what? Pedestal from a point on the ground. The angle of elevation of the top of the statue is 60, and from the same point the angle of elevation of the top of the pedestal is how much? 45 degrees. Find the height of the pedestal. So you can write in triangle rectangle ACB AC by BC is equal to tangent 60 degree. This is what? Tangent 60 degree. So AC is what? AC is what? And this height is 1.6 meters. And this you can say X. AC by tangent 60 is equal to DC. Understood? What is AC? 1.6 plus X by under the root is equal to what? DC. Understood or not? Yes or no? This is you can take first. Now in triangle BCB, BC by DC is equal to tangent 45. So BC by tangent 45 is equal to BC. BC how much? X by 1 equal to BC, because tangent 45 degree equal to 1. So X equal to BC. Understood? This is your second. Comparing first and second, we get 1.6 plus X pi into 3 is equal to X. So this 1.6 plus X is equal to 1/3x. X also take in this side. 1.6 is equal to 1/3x minus X. So 1.6 is equal to X taken common. 1/3 minus 1. So X is what? X is equal to 1.6 by 1/3 minus 1 meters. So do this also. X is equal to 1.6 by 1/3 minus 1. This is 1/3 plus 1 by 1/3 plus 1. Rationalizing the denominator is equal to X is equal to 1.6 √3 plus 1 by what? 3 minus 1. So X is equal to 1.6 √3 plus 1 by 2. What is this? X is equal to 0.8 into 1/3 plus 1 meter. This is the height of pedestal. So I think all of you understood this. So one more question we can solve. Question number 9. This understood all of you easily. Erase it. The angle of elevation of the top of a building from the foot of the tower is 30 and the angle of elevation of the top of the tower from the foot of the building is 60. If the tower is 50 meter high, find the height of the building. So it's what's given, the angle of elevation of the top of a building from the foot of the tower is 30 degree. You can say this is a tower. This is tower, you can say this is what you can say building. It's given the angle of elevation of the top of the building from the foot of the tower is 30 degree. This angle is 30 degree. How much degree? 30 degree. And the angle of elevation of the top of the tower from the foot of the building is how much? That is 60 degree. This is how much degree? 60 degree. The angle of elevation of the top of the building from the foot of the tower is 30 and the angle of elevation of the top of the tower from the foot of the building is 60. If the tower is 50 meter high, so you can say this is the 50 meter high tower. A, B, C, D. Understood? So you can take in triangle. So first you can write, it's given a angle of elevation of the top of the building from the foot of the tower is 30 degree. So tower, you can say this. From the foot of the tower to top of the building is 30 and the angle of elevation of the top of the tower from the foot of the building is 60. So what you can say, in triangle what? D, B, C, D, B, C. What's given? BC by BC is equal to tangent 60. You can select AB is the height of the building. Height of the building and BC is the height of the tower and BC is the distance between tower and building. Understood? So DC by what? Tangent of 60 degree is equal to BC. 50 by root 3 is equal to BC because what? Tangent 60 equal to root 3. Root 3 Now in triangle, with triangle ABC, AB by BC is equal to tangent 30 degree. So AB is equal to BC into 1 by root 3 because tangent 30 equal to 1 by root 3. BC how much? This is this. So AB is equal to 50 and root 3 into 1 by root 3 is equal to 50 by 3. Therefore, height of the building is equal to 50 by 3 meter. And you have to find the height of the building. So beta solve this, try to solve this remaining also. Do hard work at home, don't waste your time. Thank you all of you.